Hi everyone. Today in this video we are going to see how to add and subtract fractions. First let us see how to add and subtract the like fractions. What are like fractions? Like fractions are the fractions that have the same denominators. For example, 1 by 5, 2 by 5. If you look at these two fractions, they have the same denominators. They are called as like fractions. And how to add them? Only two steps. The first step is add the numerators together, 1 plus 2 divided by, and keep the denominator as common. So we take 5 as common. Now add the numerators. 1 plus 2 equals to 3. 3 by 5. That is the answer. And how to subtract the like fractions? Let us take 3 by 10 minus 1 by 10. Here the fractions are like fractions. Same procedure. Subtract the numerators and keep the denominators as common. 3 minus 1 equals to 2 divided by 10, which is the answer. Now let us see how to add and subtract the unlike fractions. Okay, unlike fractions. What are unlike fractions? Unlike fractions are two or more fractions. Unlike fractions are two or more fractions that have the different denominators. Different denominators. For example, 2 by 10 plus 2 by 4. Look at the denominators, they are different. That's why we call them as unlike fractions. And how to add them? To add them, the first step is we need to find the LCM of the denominators. Okay, LCM of the denominators, that is 10 and 4. You know how to find the LCM, right? So 10, 4. Which number will divide both the numbers? 2 will divide. 5 2s are 10, 2 2s are 4. Again go by 2, 5 will remain as it is, 1 2 is 2, and then do by 5, 1 1. So multiply everything, 2 into 2 into 5. That equals to 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20 is the LCM, least common multiple of these two numbers, 20. So take the first fraction, 2 by 10. Okay, now leave gap. Okay, this 20, this LCM is the new denominator. Okay, I want this 10 to become 20. So with what do I need to multiply? I need to multiply it by 2. Okay, 10 2's make 20. Okay, so I need to use the same 2 for the numerator also. We are actually trying to find the equivalent fraction for the given fraction. 10 2's are 20, 2 2's are 4. Now take the second fraction, 2 by 4. Okay, multiply, leave a gap, take and write the LCM, that is a new denominator. I want this 4 to become 20. With what do I need to multiply? I need to multiply it by 5. 4 5s are 20. Same 5 I need to use for the numerator 2. 2 5s are 10. Okay, now look at the new fractions. They are like fractions, these two. So we can do the operations between these two. Okay, so now 4 by 20 plus 10 by 20. Okay, can write it. So same procedure for as we did for like fractions. Add the numerators and keep the denominator as common. So 4 plus 10, 14 divided by 20. That is the answer. Now let us see how to subtract two unlike fractions. For example 3 by 7 minus 5 by 14. So look at the denominators. The first thing that we need to do is look at the denominators, find out whether they are like or unlike. So these two are unlike, so same procedure, we need to take the LCM of the denominators, 7 and 14. So 7 14, take the LCM. So both the numbers will be divisible by 7. 1 7 is 7, 2 7s are 14. This has become 1 already, so divide by 2 alone. 1 will remain as it is, and then 1 2 is 2. So multiply 7 into 2, we get 14 is the LCM, which is the new denominator. Now take the first fraction. Take the first fraction, 3 by 7. Multiply, leave a gap. I want this write this LCM, which is the new denominator. I want this 7 to become 14. With what do I need to multiply? I need to multiply it by 2. 7 2s are 14. Same 2 I need to use for the numerator 2. Okay, so 3 2s are 6. Now take the second fraction, 5 by 14. Okay, I've taken write the LCM here 14. Okay, so 14, I want this 14 to become 14, so I need to multiply it by 1. 14 ones are 14, so same one I need to use for the numerator too. So 5 1 is 5. Now do the operation between these two have become the like fractions. Okay, now 6 by 14 minus 5 by 14. Okay, now same procedure, subtract the numerators and then take the common denominator. Okay, 6 minus 5 equals to 1 by 14. This is the answer.